Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your Phemex account. And I just created an account on Phemex, and right now I want to verify my account to start deposit money or withdraw money, because that is necessary to put money to your account. So what we're going to do right here is we can go to our own profile icon right there and then select right here on verification. And then right now we are having here a list that we need to do, because they are telling us you'll need to provide government issued documents and face recognition verification. This will cost you 1 to 2 minutes. So if I select right now verify, then I can fill in right here my country, that is Netherlands. And now I need to verify myself with an ID card. So I select right here my driver license, then we do continue, then I do continue again. And then right now there's a little pop-up getting right here, and now they want access to our camera, so we do allow this time. And then right now we need to scan with our webcam or ID right here, but we can also do use mobile and then scan this QR code and then do the following steps on your phone. Once you did this, then we go further, and then you need to upload your government ID, or sorry, your government number. And in my opinion, that's my TIN number or my number to tell them who I am. And they want that from you. That is the last step. So if you go back, you see right here the government issued documents, and then a face recognition verification. So they also want a photo of your face, and you can do that with your webcam or on your phone. And then after that, once you did that, you did those 2 steps, and then they're telling you account futures after verification, crypto deposit, fiat deposit, crypto withdrawal, and just trading. So this is how you can verify your account on Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.